Let us see how you can create a comment automation for any particular post of your Facebook page. For this, click on Meta Business Suite here and click on Content in the left side. Please ensure that you are in the correct Facebook page. Now click on Post and Reels. Here you will see all your Facebook page posts. Click on the three dots and from here you can click on Copy Post ID. Now click on Create Bot Flow. Enter an appropriate name. Click on plus, that is the trigger sign, and select the option of Facebook page chatbot. Here select the option of when a comment is received. Select your particular Facebook page. Now paste your post ID here. You can add multiple IDs as well and run the same bot. Now you can decide if does this trigger only for the top level comment, or if a user has commented and someone is replying to it, this bot also gets triggered for all the comments. Secondly, if the bot is triggered only for the first comment by the user, by an individual user, or if he is commenting multiple times, then for all the comments by the same user. Now here you can set the condition of keywords. For example, if someone is commenting test, then this bot will trigger, and then click on save. In the next step, you can send a message to the user. Now this message can be a DM as well as a reply to the comment. So if you want to send a reply to the comment, we can simply write and if you also want to send them a DM, you can also add another block and add a DM here. Say for example, you can make further bot flows by adding more actions and steps here. After this, kindly click on Save Workflow and then enable it.